Hello, how to solve square root of 2 plus square root of x equals 2, solving for the value of x. I satisfy this equation, so we start by taking the squares. Now to expand this, you have a plus b power 2 equals a power 2 plus b power 2 plus 2 times ab. Now our a is root 2 and b is root x. So we have a squared, that is root 2 power 2 plus b squared root x power 2 plus 2 times root 2 times root x. Then this equals 2 squared. So from here, this eliminates this. We have 2 plus x plus root 2 times root x. That is root 2x, and there is 2 here. There is 2 root 2x equals 4. From here, you move 2 over here, you move x over here. So you have 2 root 2x equals 4 minus 2 minus x. We have 2 root 2x equals 4 minus 2, 2 minus x. We isolate this root 2x by dividing this by 2. We divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. Our square root of 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2. I take the squares. This eliminates this. I have 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2 times 2 minus x divided by 2. So from here, I have 2x equals 2 times 2. That is 4, 2 times minus x, that is minus 2x. Minus x times 2, we have minus 2x. Minus x times minus x, we have plus x squared divided by 2 times 2, we have 4. So from here, we have 2x equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared divided by 4. This over 1, we cross multiply. 4 times 2x, that is 8x, equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared. We move this over here, we have 0 equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared minus 8x. We have 0 equals 4. This is minus 12x plus x squared. We rearrange this. We have x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. We solve this for the value of x using the formula method. We write the formula in respect to x. We have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So from here, we have a equals 1, coefficient of x squared. B equals negative 12, coefficient of x. And c equals 4, which is the constant here. So from here, x equals negative b, negative times negative 12 plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 12 power 2 minus 4 times 8 times c. C is 4. Two times 8 is 2 times So from here we have x equals this is 12 plus or minus square root of this is 144 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of this will give us 128 and this is divided by 2. So from here we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 times 2 divided by 2. This equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 times square root of 2 divided by 2. From here we have x equals this is 12 plus or minus this is 8 times root 2 divided by 2. This one, this is 4, this is 6. So this is 6 plus or minus 4 root 2. So we have these two values for x. We are going to check which of them will satisfy this equation. We have x equals 6 plus or minus 4 root 2. So what we are going to do will be to check using this particular equation. I hope that is the correct solution. Yes or yes. We need to confirm the solution because I did not write it out. Alright, so we have square root of 2 plus square root of x. Our x is, let's consider this positive one. 6 plus 4 root 2. Is this equals to? Now, this is obviously greater than 1. This is about 1.4. So this is greater than 1. Let me just leave it like that. This is greater than 1.1. This is greater than 3 because square root of 9 is 3. So this is greater than 3. So this is not 2. Obviously, the first solution is wrong. Now, if you consider x equals 6 minus 4 root 2, this will satisfy the equation because we have root 2 plus square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 equals 2. This is about 1.4 plus this is about 0.6 because 4 root 2 you subtract from 6, subtract 4 root 2, this is about 5.4 or so. You subtract it from 6, then find the square root, you have this. When you add this to this, you have an approximate value of 2. So that becomes the only valid solution. Thank you.